For this next value scale, you're going to use a colored pencil. You can only pick one color for the entire thing. You can pick dark green, violet, blue, red, or orange. Use a white colored pencil to blend in the high key or low key values, values 1 through 4, and a black to blend the dark or low key values 7 through 10. So this first video is just going to show you how to do it with just your colored pencil, and then I'll come back and show you how to add the other ones in another video, one step at a time. So I'm going to start just like I did with the value scale up here with the graphite. I'm going to hold the pencil back at the end of the colored pencil, and I'm going to very lightly rub with the side of this cone. So you see the top of this, this is a really sharp pencil. You want to use sort of the side of this to shade with. Just rub back and forth. Another thing you want to check is that you don't have glue or anything on your table that is going to keep from like a rubbing, like it's not going to show up as a pattern. So make sure you're working on a clean work surface. And just the lightest possible value that you can get in that number 2 square. Then you do the same thing that you did over here with the number 10. Go as dark as you possibly can with the purple. I'm just going to shade it in. Turn it in another direction, shade it this way. Make sure that I'm careful in the corners, that I get that right up next to the corner. And shade it really pretty dark. With the 10. Then I go back with the 6 and get a medium value. You can do little circles, you can go multiple directions. You just want a nice smooth tone throughout the whole square. You don't want to have any streaks or pencil lines through it. You should not be able to tell where one pencil line is from the next. So that's kind of a medium, the darkest, the lightest. And then the same way I did before, try to create a medium value between, halfway between the 10 and the 6. Let me push 10 a little darker. Get my 8 in there. And then halfway between the 6 and the 2. Get my 4 in there. And then halfway between those two. Push my 4 a little bit darker. Okay. Then halfway between 6 and 4. Might make my 6 slightly darker. Halfway between these two. 8, 9, and 10 might end up looking very similar. However, when you go back and use the black on top of it, it will sort of create a different type of value, and I'll show you what that looks like in the next video. So you want kind of a gradual progression into the darkest possible value that you can get with the purple. Press as hard as you can on that number 10. Number 9, you let up a little bit. 8's a little bit less, and so on. Okay? The next step is to start with the white colored pencil on these 4 and the black colored pencil sort of in these last 3. So that will be the next video.